Happy birthday to you, shining star, shining star. May your dreams come true. No matter how far you light up the room with your radiant glow. Oh, the world is lucky to have you. Don't you know you're kind, you're strong with a heart of gold. You brighten up lives, to you we behold. Every step you take.
Happy birthday, Maggie. We love you so much at alam mo naman na lagi lang kami nandito para sa iyo. Siyempre pa, para makisaya sa atin sa iyong special day, narito ang iyong mga mahal sa buhay na gusto ring bumati sa iyo. Roll VTR.
Hi TL Mags, I miss you. Happy birthday. Gusto ko palagi maging masaya ka. We may not know what you're going through in life right now, and we may not be keeping in touch as often as before. But I know you're a good person, and we've worked for several years. You deserve to be loved in every way. Happy birthday, and I miss you. Ingat ka palagi. Bye-bye.
Hey Maggie, happy birthday. And yan, kamusta? I wish you the best in life, career, at sa lahat pa ng kung ano mga ginagawa mo. At ayun, enjoy. Sana mag-invite naman kahit paano. And yun, thank you sa lahat. Enjoy. Happy birthday.
Hi TL Maggie, I just want to greet you a happy birthday. I know life is not always easy, but you're one of the strongest people I know. Wishing you more birthdays to come. Stay young, pretty, and full of positivity. See you soon!
Maggie, happy birthday! God bless! And sana magkita na tayo. Miss you!
Hi Maggie! Happy birthday! It's been years, pero hindi pa rin kita nakakalimutan. May you enjoy your celebration. May you be blessed. Si Miggy and everyone in the family, may you continue to pursue your dreams, be more successful, and good health. I'll see you soon. I miss you.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, Maggie.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Ninang.
We wish you a good health.
More blessings.
More blessing. Always maging happy ka. Sa love life, meron ka naman nun. Okay na yon. And, yun lang. Maging successful ka sa life. And always be happy. Happy birthday again! Happy birthday!
Hi, Be. Happy birthday. So, yeah, I wish you all the happiness and success in life. Huwag mo masyadong isipin yung age. Nandyan na yan. Ang importante, buhay tayo. So, more birthdays to come. And, ayun, huwag mo masyadong i-stress yung sarili mo kakaisip sa age at kung anong or kung nasan man tayo ngayon. Pero, just keep on striving to enhance our skills and stay motivated. So, go for the gold tayo para sa 6 digits monthly. Okay? And then, I just want to take this opportunity to thank you for the friendship. And thank you kasi lagi kang nandyan. Salamat sa pakikinig at pagtsatsaga sa akin, kausapin ako tuwing madaling araw. So, ang tagal na nating magkakaibigan, so super thankful ako sa kung anong meron tayo. Since Alorica, no, so maraming salamat sa walang sawang pakikinig at pag-advise sa akin. So, yun. Pero yun nga, nandito lang ako lagi. Kapag ikaw ang may problema, nandito lang ako lagi. One call away. Hindi man ako magaling mag-advise, pero nandito ako lagi para makinig sa'yo. Katulad ng pakikinig mo sa mga rant at problema ko sa buhay. So, maraming salamat. So, yun. Ang wish ko lang is maging masaya ka, hindi lang sa birthday mo, habang buhay. And, ayun, love life. Meron ka naman yan. Sana all. So, ayun, sana na-surprise ka namin. Ikaw naman may pasumuno nito, so sana Sana success kami today, no? So, maraming salamat and happy birthday. I love you. Bye-bye.
Hi, Mommy. Happy birthday. Thank you for being my other mother. I wish you good health and all the happiness the world can give. Always know na nandito lang ako. Baba ka lang. Love you.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Ate Gina. Happy birthday to you. How old are you na? Okay lang yun. Kung ano number yan. Kasi immortal ka naman eh. Hindi ka tumatanda. Happy birthday. Enjoy your day. Huwag magpaka-stress. Huwag isipin ang problema sa birthday. And just relax. Have time to yourself. Pero okay nga yung nakakapag-exercise ka, yung mga videos mo. I'm happy for you kasi may mga moves ka. And always ingat. And be happy. And ano pa ba? Dito lang ako. Just message me. I love you. Happy birthday.
Hi, Gina. Happy birthday. I love you, Nat. I miss you. Mwah.
Happy birthday to you, Mama. I love you. Sorry kung nakulit na ako. I love you with all my heart. Ito na yung last birthday mo.
Happy birthday, Mama! I love you. Wish ko sa'yo more health, more birthdays to come para makita mo lumaki to si Bulinggit. Yeah.
Happy birthday, Mama!
Happy birthday, Mama!
Kuya, give me a beat. Sino dito my birthday na October? Si Mother? Ikaw yun? Ikaw yun? Ikaw yun? Ikaw yun? Ikaw yun!
Araw-araw, gabi-gabi.
Ikaw ang aming hinahanap, Mami. Mami! Mami!
Wish ko lagi kang masaya at healthy.
Para saan ka bumabangon?
Ikaw.
Para kay Mami! Happy birthday, Mami. I love you so much. Thank you sa lahat ng support and tandaan mo lahat ng magandang dumarating sa'yo. Deserve mo yon. And kung meron mang hindi magandang dumarating or madaming challenges, with the help of God, tutulungan ka niya. Amen. I love you so much. Lagi na ako nandito para sa'yo. Happy birthday to my one and only and pretty mommy, Magdalena. Love you.
Love you, Mami. So, gusto ko lang sabihin na happy birthday. Enjoy mo yung araw mo. Lahat ng mga nangyari sa akin, simula bata akong sa paglaki ko, lahat ng achievements ko sa'yo ko inaano yun, Mami. Dahil sa tulong mo, nagawa ko lahat yun, Ma. Ngayon, isa ka sa aking mga naging inspirasyon, naging motivation sa lahat, lalo na ngayon sa aking board exam. Ikaw lang naman lagi ko iniisip, ang aking mga pamilya, tsaka ikaw, Mami, lalo na ikaw. Love you.
Love you. I miss you.
My tongue, your body is so sweet,